How to use citrus scrub and shine spray buff method. Dilute 2 to 4 ounces per quart. Spray fine mist on a manageable area of the floor. Let stand for 5 minutes until slightly damp but not completely dry. Burnish the floor with a high-speed machine and appropriate pad. The gloss meter reading before using citrus scrub and shine is 25. Dilute 2 to 4 ounces per quart and spray on the surface. Let stand for 5 minutes. Burnish the surface. The gloss meter reading after using citrus is 89. That's a 256% increase in gloss. For more information, contact Essential Industries.